Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today in this video, I want to show you that how to play the upper note so easily. Before I go ahead to the upper note things, I need to tell you what are the notes are present in flute. See, in a flute, any flute you can take. Maybe you can take C scale flute, D scale, whatever the scale you want to take. But if you take a flute, there are Padha Nisa, which is bass Padha Nisa, Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha. First, in any flute, it is there one full octave. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa. This is one octave. But there are bass Padhani, Padhani, and upper Saregama, Saregama. Now I'm playing first. See, bass Padhani, Saregama Padhani, Saregama Pa. Okay. Now let me play the full sequentially. Here? Okay. Now, how to play it is so easily, because if it is playing sequentially, it is like coming like that way. But flute is very easy instrument. Everything is playing 3 fingers and these 3 fingers. So how to manage it? See, it is C, Padha, Ni, and then Sa. It can come in this hand. So maybe you are a right hand player, so you can play. I am a left hand player, you can play this hand. Okay. So Pa, bass Pa, Dha, bass Ni, bass, and actual Sa. So it is. Now if we increase our pressure, means low pressure, then will come the actual Padhani. Understood? Bass Padhani, actual Padhani. Playing. Padhani Sa, Padhani Sa. The same way, Sa Re Ga Ma. So, in this tutorial, what you will practice? First is little bit increase the pressure and see. Second is I hope this practice will help you to reach the upper note smoothly. You can run it and practice the run, then also it will come perfect. See? That's it for today. Please practice, and if you are facing any trouble, don't forget to comment in your travel where you are facing the problem. And please help me to know. I will definitely help you with a video, with a tutorial. Okay? See you. Bye bye. Please practice.